Yeah, I think if you don't actually believe what you're doing, if you don't derive satisfaction from what you're doing, then you will not be able to sustain. And so the only motivation that I have seen work for people is enjoyment in what they're doing and an intense belief that it matters. And ideally liking the people that they go to work with every day. At this point, I am sort of only interested in things that I find. And early on, like a lot of other people, I think I was like, well, I want to make money. I want to be in the press or whatever else. And I wouldn't say that doesn't motivate me at all, but it's honestly not a big factor at this point. I think another point about motivation is related to burnout. I was told, and I thought for a long time, that you get burned out from working too hard. And at least in my own experience, what I found is that burnout actually comes from failing and things not working. Momentum is really energizing. The lack of momentum is super draining. And I find that I have infinite energy to work on things that I find interesting and that are working, and almost none to work on things that I either don't find interesting or aren't working. And so I think you see a lot of founders try something and fail and assume that they just can't work hard enough or don't have enough energy or passion or whatever. And that's actually not true. It's just that thing didn't work. And what you should do is shut that company down, go on vacation, and try again. And so when you look at really successful people and say, how do they get all those things done? They have the benefit of momentum.